Welcome to Java Guide. Today I am starting a Java series, and this series basically I am creating for beginners. So there is no prior experiences to get to go through this series. Anyone who is interested to learn Java can go through it. Okay, so let's start without further delay. So So in this session, I will create a one simple Java program, and I'll try to explain all the component of the Java program. Okay. So creating Java program, I will use a online editor. Okay. So I will not use a desktop editor, and also I will not use any uh, JDK installed in my system. Instead of it, I will use a online Java compiler and editor. Okay. So there are many Java compiler available. So let's search Java compiler. So you can see program base, online GD, GDB, JDoodle. Okay. So there are interview bait. Okay, one compiler. Okay. So there are many compiler. You can go through anyone which you want to use. I am searching compile Java. That is very simple. So compile java.net. So let me open this. Okay. Yes. So you can see this. This is a online compiler and editor. Okay. So in this upper window, you can write a Java program, and here you can see there is a button compile and execute. You can click on this, then you will see the program output here. Okay. So it also has this small program. Okay. So let's first understand this program. Okay. What is it? So you can see in this second line, there is a public keyword, then class keyword, and then main, the name of the class. Okay. And so this public keyword is nothing but a access modifier. So whenever we create a class, so this that particular class has the access, like whether that particular class which will be visible within a class or within a package. So what is the visibility of that class? So there are different access modifier. Okay. We will not talk about all those modifiers. Okay, we will discuss those modifiers in the later videos. So just understand this is a access modifier public. Okay, and this class is a, let me write here. So this double slash is used for commenting. If you want to comment, you want to write some comment on for your program, so you can write by using double slash. Okay, so public, this is a access modifier. Then this class is a keyword which is used to create a class. Okay, so this is the class keyword. So this is used to create a class. Okay, and this man, this is nothing but a name of the class. Okay, so we can give any name. Let me change this Java. Right. This Java guide is nothing but a name of the class. So we can give any name. Okay. So one thing you have to ensure that whenever you are writing any name of the class, that public class, okay, the file name should contain the same name. So this is main.java. And here, what's the class name? Java guide. So this file should have a Java guide name. Okay. So change it Java guide. Okay. Now the file name and the class name is same. Extension, always we have to use .java. Okay. So when we create a class, how we can create a class? First we have to write a access modifier public, then the class keyword, then the name of the class. Okay. Then opening braces and then closing braces. Okay. Then if you see this line, this is nothing but a method. Okay. So inside a class, we can write methods. We cannot write method without a class. So, and what is the syntax to write a method? The first thing, this public, again, this is an access modifier. We have already explained. So access modifier is used with both with the class and with the methods. Okay. Then there is a static keyword. So I will explain this static keyword in later videos. Okay. Right now, just understand like static keyword is used to access this particular method by the class name. If you want to access this method using the class name, then we use a static keyword. Okay. And if we want to use this method with the instance variable, then there is no need to use a static keyword. Fine. And then there is a void. Void is nothing but a return type. So there are different return type. There are other many return type like string, int, boolean. Okay. If method is returning something, then we can specify that particular type. Suppose method is returning string, then we have to specify string. But if method is not returning anything, then we specify the void. So void means there is no return type. So void is nothing but a return type. So this is a comment. Let me put the double slash. Okay. Then this is the name of the method. Okay. So we can give any name of the method, but make sure whenever we are writing any Java program, there should be a one method with the name of main. Why? Why we should have a one method with the name of main? Because when you execute this program, then that time Java virtual machine first will search a class which contains the main method. If it does not find any class with the name of main method, then it throws error. Okay. So we can change the name of this method, but at runtime we will get the error. That's why we will not change this name. Okay. So we will keep it main. Okay. And this method signature always contains the opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis. Inside it, we can have any type of argument. Okay. So here you can see string, then opening braces, closing braces. This means this particular parameter is of type array. This signify opening and closing braces signify this is a nothing but a array. Okay. So this is a string array, and this parameter name is args. So we can give any name. Here they have given args, but we can give any name params. Okay. Again, method like class has the opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis. In same way, method has the opening and closing. Okay, and inside opening and closing we can write multiple statements. So there is one statement written here. Okay, what is that statement? System.out.println. Okay, so we will not go in detail about this statement, but what I will tell you, like what it will do, it will print this hello world string, whatever we write inside this parenthesis, that particular string JVM can print on the console. Okay, so the output of this complete program is hello world. Okay, so let me compile and execute this program. So this is the button by which we can compile and execute this program. So let me execute this. So the output should be hello world. So it is compiling. First it is compiling, then it will execute this program. So let's wait. So you can see hello world. This is the output. Okay, I can change this. Welcome to Java world. Okay, and let's again compile and execute. So you can see the output is changed. Now it is welcome to Java world. So this is very small program. So whenever we have to write any Java program, first what we have to write? We have to write a class. So we just use a public class, then the name of the class. Inside that class, there must be one method, at least one method that class should contain. And that method name should be a main. Okay, and all these keyword, public, static, void, all these keywords are required because JVM first search this main method where this complete signature is required. Like it it doesn't return any type, so return type is void. Okay, and it is of type static, like it can be called by using the class name, and it should be a public, and it contains the string array type parameters. Okay, so this is the basic minimum thing which is needed to write a Java program. So let me again summarize. First we have to write a one class with dot java extension. Whatever the that particular file name, the same name we have to give to the class name. Okay, and class name will be created using the public class keyword, and then opening and closing. Inside the class we have to write a main method. Signature should be same, public static void, name of the method main, and inside the argument the string array. Okay, and again method is the opening closing, and inside this we can write multiple statements. So we have written here one statement, and this system.out.println is used to print anything on the console. Okay, so you can write anything inside it, and once you compile and execute, it will uh, print whatever the string we have written inside it. Okay, so this is all about today's session. Guys, if you are liking this video, so please do like and subscribe my channel, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.